to Big Channels in the comment section.
What he said. And now guys, let's get into some numbers. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to a brand new episode. And in today's episode, it's the last episode of my Audi A3 build. Yes, it's the last one. But on this channel, anytime there's a build that ends, a brand new build starts. And we've got a brand new build coming next week. And in the next video, I can't wait for you guys to see it. I want you guys to tell me what it is. I'll give you a quick clue. It's German. So remember in my last video I said I'm going to go German or Japanese. I went with German and it just screams luxury. I can't wait for you guys to see it. But back to today's video. Because it's the last video, I'm going to be doing a price reveal. I'm going to be doing a breakdown of all of my expenditures on my 2009 Audi A3. So we're going to head off to H&A Autos again, do a few last minute bits, kind of like we're going to do some polishing. I need to reassemble my dash because I had to pull it apart to double check my connections for the passenger side airbag, which I left it off, guys.
Congratulations, you played yourself.
I left it disconnected and that's why my airbag light was on. So I've sorted that. It's going to be a mixed bag today. Go around the car, finish off a few last minute bits. We're going to get it polished. I'm going to head down to the car wash and then we're going to be doing the price reveal. And once I do the price reveal, I'll let you guys know who the winner is of the giveaway. So guys, if you're watching this and you're not subscribed, make sure you smash that subscribe button. I'm trying to get to 500 subscribers by Christmas. Please, I know we can do it. Help me to push my channel and make better content for you guys. And make sure your bell notifications are on because like I said, I've got a brand new build coming and you wouldn't want to miss it. It is the most I've ever spent on a damaged car. I'll put that out there. It's the most I've ever spent on a damaged car. So yeah guys, smash that subscribe button and join me for the ride. Right guys, so I'm here at H&A Autos and the first thing I want to do is I want to get my glove and everything inside fitted back up and then we'll move on to polishing the car. Oh good. Right guys, we're here at H&A Autos. We're gonna flat the paintwork with a 2000 grit and then we're gonna use some cotton polish to bring up that shine. No problem. Guys, I'm going to use a little bit of this cutting compound on the headlights and it's just going to get rid of any bugs, any spots, and it's going to bring it back to shiny. So let's get a little bit. Guys, just to show you the difference and why it's important to always compound your car after a spray job, and even though we just sprayed the front, we're doing the entire car. Look at the difference. I don't know if you guys can see that on the camera, but half of the roof has been compound and polished, the other half is not. If you have a listen, that's all dust, overspray. Go over to the other side. Nothing. You can't hear anything. I don't know if you guys can see the difference. I can see a massive difference right down the middle. Let's continue. Okay guys, we're gonna leave it there and we're gonna continue to smash that, and I'll let you see how it looks at the end. Taken a while. Entire car has been washed, painted, polished, compound. And before that compound dries, I'm gonna head off to the car wash and get a full detail. Let's get it.
Subscribe to Big Channels in the comment section.
What he said. Guys, take a look at this. Everything is all done. Done a full polish. Done a full valet. Everything's come out. The last thing that's gonna happen, and I'll do that later on, I've got an appointment for next week for the windscreen. And now guys, let's get into some numbers. Right guys, let's get into it. Let's crack some numbers. So I've got everything written down on my phone, so I'm not giving you incorrect information, and I think you'll be very surprised by the information that I've got. So I bought this car about 3 to 4 weeks ago, and the last bidding price that I won it at the auction for, before the fees, that was the question in the giveaway, was £250, guys. There it is. I paid £250 before the fees for this car. 2009 Audi A3, let me remind you. So it was £250 before the fees. After Copart added their fees, the total came up to £426. And then I paid £250 to get it delivered from York, Copart in York, down to Hackney, East London. I then paid 170 quid for the airbag kit, and that was the complete dash, the steering wheel, the seat belts, modules, everything. I then paid £150 for the front panel and the radiator pack and the front crash bar. That all came as one piece. I then paid £150 for the complete front bumper with all 3 grills in the front bumper, which was a great price. I'm happy with that. I paid 20 quid for a headlight bracket from TPS. That was a new part. I then paid £47 for a headlight repair kit to repair the broken tabs on my passenger side light, so I salvaged that light. I bought a new steering wheel with the airbag for 30 quid. I then had to buy, like I said to you guys at the beginning of this video, I had to buy a used ABS sensor, so that cost me 30 quid. And then the last bit of expenditure is the windscreen. I've got that booked in for next week. I've got my quote, which is £130. On top of all of that, I took the car down to H&A Autos in Hackney, and I've been using them for quite a few years, so I've got a really good price on the labour and the work for this car. So to pull the frame, straighten the frame up on the pulling machine, line it all up, do all the body work and spray, which is a lot of work, he charged me 400 quid. So all of that gets added on to that. And that gives me a grand total of what I've spent on this car thus far of 1,680 for a 2009 Audi A3 Technique 1.6 petrol. And in my opinion, that's a really good price. You guys let me know what you think down in the comments below. Do you think I've overpaid? Do you think I've underpaid? I'll repeat that. So all in 1,680 quid for a 2009 Audi A3 Technique. So that brings me to the giveaway. Now that you know all the prices and my total expenditure, the question of the giveaway was, how much do you think I paid for this car before the fees? So the final big price, and like I just said, it was 250 quid. There was a lot of comments. Some of you guys were pretty close, some of you guys were pretty far off, but there were 2 correct answers. Now, first come, first serve when it comes to those 2 correct answers. I think that's the fairest way to do it. And the person who came bang on, and he was quite early when he got, him or her, I don't know, but quite early on, as soon as I put the giveaway out there, was someone, they go by the name of Elmo. So Elmo, you are the winner of my giveaway. And if you're watching this, please drop me a comment, drop me a message on Instagram, and I'll get your California scents sent out to you. I've got them at home waiting in the box. I'll get them out to you. Right people, that's going to be a wrap for today. Hope you enjoyed this video. Elmo, don't forget, drop me a message on Instagram and let me get your California scents sent out to you. So I'll be waiting on that. And guys, if this is the kind of content that you like to see, make sure you give me a thumbs up, because it helps YouTube with the algorithm, it pushes my stuff, and it helps me bring better content for you guys. And if you're watching this and you're not subscribed, guys, please hit the subscribe button. Make sure your bell notifications are on so you don't miss any future content. Next week, guys, I'm driving down to Copart and I'm gonna film everything. I've got an epic build. I think you're gonna be I'm very excited for you guys to see the next build that I've got for the channel. It's German and it's the most I've ever bought a car for from Copart. And I think it's going to be very interesting, and I think that you guys will love it. So make sure you smash that subscribe button so you don't miss that one. And guys, I just want to say thank you to each and every one of you who sit and give your time up to watch my videos, watch my content. Thank you. Everyone who's subscribed, everyone who's commented, just everyone who's taken the time out to watch my content. Just want to say thank you. That's it. Right guys, so we'll end it there. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.